In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the washer fluid filler neck on this Lexus IS250. This will be located right behind your driver's side headlight. Let's get started. Now we have to remove this cover, and it's just held on with a bunch of push clips, so we'll go around, pop them all out with a trim tool, and then remove the cover. Now, right behind the driver's side headlight, you'll see this 10mm headed bolt. Let's remove it. With that out of the way, we release the washer fluid filler neck, which you can just pull straight up on. And there it is. Now take your washer tank filler neck, slide it down and line it up with the tank itself, which you can see if you look straight down. And of course, line it up with the bolt hole so that we can then bolt it back on. You have to press it on a little bit. There's a rubber gasket that it has to slide over. Now, don't put any lubrication on it because anything you put on that will actually get into the washer fluid and can contaminate it. Therefore, when it sprays on your windshield, it's going to get very streaky. All right, once you've pressed it down all the way, line this up, get your bolt, thread it in and tighten it up. Now, you can fill this up with your favorite washer fluid. Now reinstall this cover and put back all the push clips that held it on. And that's installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.